Hello friends, good morning. This is Niraj Kumar. Friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel Nice Talk Classes. Friends, in this video we will talk about friends 10 mistakes. Friends, these 10 mistakes stops us from speaking. So friends, first of all I would to say become English expert course with Neeraj sir. Friends, 9 years to get 1 year. Friends, this this year is going to help you. Friends, so this is very important. Friends, first of all, many people don't know their mistakes. Friends, before solving your problems you must know your problems. Yes, you must know your problems. So friends, we are going to start. Friends, we are going to start knowing our problems. Yes, knowing our problems. So friends, this is our first friends mistakes. Friends, you know this is our first mistakes. Friends, yes, this is our first mistakes. People don't take an action. Yes friends, this is our first mistakes. People don't take action. Friends, there are so many people, they want to speak English, they want to do something remarkable in their mind, but friends, they don't take an action. Friends, out of 100 only 10 students take an action. Friends, they get ahead of 90% of the crowd. Friends, you always keep in mind. Friends, friends, this 10 mistake is not going to help you not only spoken English. Friends, but also in your life. So this is very important. Friends, so people don't take an action. Friends, this is the first mistake, and Mahatma Buddha said the human makes two mistakes. First mistake is that if someone takes an action, he does not continue. This is the second biggest mistakes which is done by so many students, which is done by so many candidates in their exams, in their journey. So friends, please don't do these mistakes. Friends, so this is very important. Friends, not taking action is the biggest problem. Friends, like suppose you want to make your body, you want to go to gym, but still you don't go. Friends, it is not going to help you in your spoken English. Friends, if you want to make your body, you must go to gym. Friends, likewise, if you want to speak English, you have to speak English every single day. Friends, yes, you have to speak every single day. So friends, this is our first mistakes. Friends, please don't do these mistakes. Friends, now friends, we are going to move our second mistakes. Friends, so our second mistake is this. Friends, mistake number 2, self-doubt. Friends, there are so many students, they want to speak English, they always start their journey in your friends in self-doubt. Friends, if you have any self-doubt, friends, you cannot grow. Friends, I want to tell you that I am a teacher. Friends, I teach English in my institute. Friends, there are so many students come to me and they ask me, sir, after doing your course, will I be able to speak English or not? I say yes. If you join my course, you can be a fluent speaker. You can speak English fluently. But friends, and some of the students, they ask me again, sir, can I speak English after doing your course? Friends, yes, this time I say yes. If you join my course, if you do your efforts, you can speak English. Friends, and third time they ask me again and they say, oh sir, after doing this course, can I speak English a fluent manner? Friends, yes, but this time I say no. I simply say no, you can't speak. They start asking why? Because if you have self-doubt, friends, you can't do anything. So this is very important. Friends, remember one thing in your mind. If you think you can, you can. If you think you can't, you can't. This is our mindset. This is our attitude. Friends, I will say only one thing. Friends, please change your mindset. Please change your attitude from self-doubt to self-confidence. Friends, this self-doubt can be removed through consistent efforts. So this is very important, friends. So this is very important, friends. Don't be dubious. Don't be in self-doubt, friends, whether able to speak English or not, friends. Friends, friends, rather than saying, oh, I can't learn English, rather than saying, oh, I can't do something in my life, friends, rather than saying, okay, I can't learn English, friends, you say, yes, I can speak English, I can improve my English, I can do anything whatever I want in my life. So friends, this is self confidence, friends. Friends friends please, self confidence. So move forwards. And friends, this is our second mistakes, self doubt, friends. So we are going to move our next mistakes, friends. Mistake number 3, friends, wanting overnight result. Yes, wanting overnight result, friends. There are so many students, they want to start learning English. They are learning English language from 1 month, 2 months. And friends, some of the students, after doing, friends, after delivering one speech, second speech, and third speech, and fourth speech, they start comparing, friends, with others people's. Friends, I want to ask you, how can you compare yourself with extraordinary people, friends, who speak in an extraordinary way? Friends, I want to say, if you want to compare yourself, you have to compare yourself with your previous day progress. So friends, you can see result there. So this is my humble request. Don't compare yourself unnecessarily with those people who speak in an extraordinary way, friends, because they had practiced a lot in their life, friends. They are expert of English language, but you are beginner, you are learners. How can you compare yourself with them? So please don't compare yourself unnecessarily with those people, friends. And friends, second is, friends, nothing happens overnight, friends. Fluency, spoken English is not overnight story, friends. It takes times, friends. Rome was built in a day. Rome was not built in a day, friends. It takes time, and your English is going to take your time. So friends, nothing happens overnight. So please don't do these mistakes. So friends, this is very important. And friends, we are going to move our second mistakes, friends. Fourth mistake is, friends, waiting for perfection to come. Yes, waiting for perfection to come. Yes, friends, waiting for perfection to come, friends. Friends, there are so many people, there are so many students, they are waiting for perfection to come. They think, if I become perfect, then I will start speaking. Friends, please remember, this is not going to happen in your life. Friends, this is not going to happen in your life. Please don't do these mistakes, friends. Perfectionism is dream killer. Yes, perfectionism is dream killer. So friends, don't be perfect, friends. Like suppose, friends, once you become perfect, please ask yourself, why will you start your speaking? Why will you start your speaking, friends? There is no need to speaking, friends. It is very important, friends. You have to start your journey with yourself. Don't depend on anyone, friends. If you don't have friends, please don't worry. If you have your cell phone, record yourself and listen yourself, and friends, and identify your mistakes, friends. So this is very important. So don't depend on yourself, friends. Waiting for perfectionism is dream killer. I have told you earlier. So friends, don't wait for perfection to come, friends. Friends, I want to tell you that, friends, I did not know English when I started, friends. I did not know English when I started, but friends, I put a lot of efforts to reach this level, friends. But friends, I don't know that I am is speaking well English or not. Friends, maybe I'm making some mistakes somewhere, but friends, today I am not what I was yesterday, and yesterday, and friends, tomorrow I will be not what I am today. Friends, this transformation occurs to me. So friends, don't wait for perfection to come. Friends, those efforts, friends, because of those efforts today I am able to speak in. So friends, don't, friends, wait for perfection to come. Thank you, friends. And friends, now friends, please don't do these mistakes. So friends, now friends, I am going to move. Our second mistake is this, friends. Our fifth mistake is, friends, friends, no clarity of concepts. Friends, there are so many people, there are so many new English learners, they do not have clarity of concepts. Friends, they don't know how they can start speaking, how they can start, friends, listening, and how can they speaking practice. They don't have clarity of concepts. Friends, first of all, I will say, friends, you have to speak, friends, on 50 speech in 50 days. This is your first task. If you want to be a fluent speaker, you must know these things. Friends, you have to speak every single day. Friends, after 50 speeches you can see result. Friends, some of the students, you can ask me, you can say me, sir, oh sir, I do not have time, I can't deliver 50 speeches in 50 days. Friends, you can speak on one speech, friends, in 3 days, and I can give you more time. You can speak on one speech in, friends, 1 week, and friends, after 1 week you can speak on second speech. Friends, but this method is not going to help you in your spoken English, because friends, in a month you can deliver only, friends, 4 speeches in a month. Friends, this is not going to help you in your spoken English. Friends, but if you want to get result, if you want to improve your speaking English, you have to speak every single day. So please don't commit these mistakes. Friends, you have to speak every single day. Friends, so this is our fifth mistake. Now friends, we are going to move. Our second mistake is, friends, sixth mistake is this, friends, no intent and no purpose. Friends, there are so many people, they want to speak English. There are so many students, they want to, friends, become successful person. Friends, but they do not have intent, they do not have purpose, they don't know how they can start speaking, they don't know how they can, friends, improve their spoken English, how they can improve their writing skills. They don't know anything. Friends, how can you compare? Friends, if you don't know grammar, that's fine. If you don't know, friends, is, MR, was, were, have, has, that is fine. If you don't know grammar, that's fine. Friends, but your intent and purpose is clear. Friends, this is very important. If I ask you, you have to speak, friends, you have to speak, friends, on, friends, education. Friends, you start looking efforts, and you start getting confused, friends, because you don't have clarity. Friends, if I ask you to, you have to come on the stage, you have to speak on this topic, friends, you are not going to speak because you don't have clarity. Friends, so your intent and purpose is not clear. So friends, intent and purpose is very important in our life. Friends, if you have purpose, if you have intent, you can get direction in their lives. So it is very important. So friends, like, suppose you are at bus stop, there is standing a conductor in front of you, and you want to ask the conductor, you want to board bus. Friends, you want to ask the conductor, sir, I want to go to Delhi. Suppose you don't know English, and you can say, sir, I want ticket and I go to Delhi. Friends, you can talk like this way. Friends, so conductor will easily understand. Friends, but because your intent and purpose is clear. Friends, so this is very important. Friends, so please don't make these mistakes. Friends, there are so many mistakes which stops us from speaking, but in this video I am going to only tell about 10 mistakes which stops us from speaking. So friends, this is very important. Now friends, we are going to move our seventh mistakes. Friends, seventh mistake is this. Friends, mistake number 7, no action plan. There are so many students, they don't know which topic they can speak on. Friends, this is very important. If you don't have action plan, if friends, suppose someone is interested to doing speaking practice, ask him, show me your action plan. Friends, if he or she has action plan, and he or she is going to improve their spoken English, improve their English. Fine. But he or she does not have action plan, he or she is not going to improve their friends English. So this is very important. So friends, no action plan, friends, no improvement. This is very important. You have to, friends, speak on at least 50 speeches in 50 days. You can get result, you can see result there. So this is very important. Don't compare yourself unnecessarily those people who speak in a, friends, you speak in a good manner. So friends, this is our seventh mistake. So don't compare yourself with others. So friends, we are going to move our next mistakes. Friends, mistake number 8. Friends, quitting before the game ends. Yes, quitting before the game ends. And friends, there are so many students, friends, they quitting before the game ends. Friends, because खेल शुरू होने से पहले ही छोड़ देते हैं. Friends, this is our 8th mistake. This is the biggest mistake which is done by so many students. Friends, if you want to result, if you want to improve any skills, friends, don't quit before the game ends. Yes, friends, there are so many people, there are so many students have, friends, skippable attitude. They do not have stickable attitude. Friends, skippable means you skip before the game ends, but someone has that kind of attitude which is, we can call it stickable attitude. Friends, you are stick on your goal, you don't quit before the game ends. Friends, so then you can, friends, see result, you can get result earlier. So this is very important. Friends, don't quit before the game ends. So this is very important. So now friends, we are going to move on our second mistake is this. Friends, mistake number 9. Friends, unwillingness to leave the comfort zone. Friends, there are so many people, they are in their comfort zone, they don't want to leave their comfort zone. Friends, yes, they do not want to their comfort zone. Friends, yes. And friends, if you are in your comfort zone, friends, if you want to be fully comfortably, you have to live uncomfortable. Friends, you are comfortable, friend, that is the biggest problem of your life. Friends, you think I am comfortable, I cannot do anything. So this is your problem. So please don't do these mistakes. So friend, unable to leave the comfort zone. Friends, you have to leave your comfortable zone. Friends, if you want to do something in your life, friends, yes, this is very important. You have to face your fear, you have to face your audience. So friends, I want to tell you, friends, when I was in my 12th class, friends, I was an introvert person. I was not able to speak in front of people. Friends, I was not able to speak to talk girls. Friends, I did not have confidence on that time, but friends, I improved myself. Today I can speak with anyone, friends, with confidently. So I put a lot of efforts to reach this level. Friends, if you want to, friends, face your fear, you have to face your audience. So friends, this is our 9th mistakes. Friends, now I'm going to move our, friends, last mistakes. This is, friends, mistake number 10 means glossophobia. Phobia is very familiar term, friends, very familiar term. Friends, glossophobia means fear of public speaking. There are so many students, they have fear of public speaking. Friends, I want to tell you one thing, that friends, this is the, friends, biggest fear on this planet. After that is the first biggest fear on this planet. But friends, glossophobia means, friends, fear of public speaking. Friends, there are so many people, they have preconceptions in your mind. Friends, don't allow them to speak in front of people. Friends, so they don't speak. Friends, if you want to, friends, improve your life, if you want to improve any skills, you have to face your fear first. This is your first task. Friends, you have to face your audience. Friends, be an example. Friends, there are so many people sitting in front of you, they want to you to speak in them. Friends, you have to speak in them. So friends, glossophobia is very biggest fear on this planet. Friends, this is very important. Friends, public speaking is a skill you have to develop in yourself. So this is very important. Friends, so these are 10 mistakes. Friends, if you please don't commit these mistakes if you want to result, if you want to improve their spoken English. So friends, this is very important. Now friends, if you like this video, please subscribe my channel and please like this video. Friends, we will in the next video. Thank you friends, take care of yourself. Thank you friends.